It's cool, just get in the car, man.
The two of us, very interested in purchasing some crack cocaine.
All right, we got her on the trailer. Now we just need to strap her down and get ready to go. So I have these handlebar straps. Just gotta figure out how to use them. Okay, I guess this is how you set it up. This would make sense to me. Then just hook my straps up to this. Easy as that. Got her all strapped up. Gonna have to clean these straps up. But after that, ready to go.
You excited? You ready to go ride?
What we live for right here. Look at all these Harley riders. These curves, baby. God, nothing like Louisiana. It is nothing like Louisiana. I'm telling you, man. We zoom in. All right, we're calm now. We're calm. We're calm. Look at this place, man. Look how beautiful it is. It's awesome. I think I'm in the wrong part of town. It's not looking good for me, boys. There's something strange going on here. Can I get your number?
Yeah.
You're supposed to say no.
Kiss my ass.
Okay. They're gonna go walk to that tent. I burnt the piss out of my leg. I have my mic on. You can talk to it.
Hey, look. They got tacos. Let's do an ASMR. They got a taco chili.
Let's do a high shot this time.
Yeah, that was a
I'm a squid and a group of Harley riders.
45 minutes. I go they got all this right now.
With
Oh yeah,
Mike
that
Ligger
dude
here.
would like the chopper thing, you know. American yeah, we're like.
Oh, he pulled up at the stoplight and revved his bike.
I had to.
And then this lady pulls up with his little yap dog while he's revving the bike, and the little yap dog starts.
All right.
Not me. It actually was.
Did you hear the tires barking?
I couldn't help because I was screaming. No, because she was busy whimpering.
No, you couldn't hear the tires. I thought we got a speed limit. I bet you the name of it is purple. I bet you if you ask them what color that is, they'll tell you purple.
Did you grab
what color is it purple? Blue streak.
Do you have
purple? Now you don't stand a chance.
Thank you, Mike.
We'll fix the bike. Yep, you screwed it.
You're an imposter. You're not supposed to like Harley Davidsons. I don't know you.
Might get some corners from
Which one is that?
The DJI 360. It's pretty cool.
We was coming up here. She got it mounted on the bike. So we was trying to figure out what's the best setting.
I mean, I can't tell you my settings are the best, but you want to see them?
When you hit
Now act natural. Hello. How are you? Look, they got a colorful bike over there.
Act natural. Good dog.
Say it for the camera. Act natural.
Shalom. Happy Hanukkah.
Oh my God, that was gold.
I'm gonna do an ASMR video while I'm at the Bikes, Blues and BBQ.
Oh, I get it. It's a stoplight. I'm just kidding. I should not have said that out loud. I gotta get a video of it. You're gonna get a tattoo? I need to come back during the daytime when it's more busy.
6, 7.